I am so excited about this recipe, I just have to share it with you guys. This is a crowd pleaser and everyone was just raving about it at dinner that night. The recipe is fairly simple. First, you would need 3 to 4 French loaves. I got this from my local grocery store. Up next, 3 sticks of salted butter left outside at room temperature to soften. Half a bottle of fresh parsley, or in this case I'm using parsley flakes. And then you would need fresh black pepper, which you can grind. The main ingredient that you would need is of course heaps and heaps of garlic. Mince it up in a food processor. Up next, my ultimate secret ingredient to making this super yummy is grated Parmesan cheese. Trust me, you do not want to skip this. Now let's start preparing our butter garlic spread. First up, add all the minced garlic into the softened butter. The fun part about this recipe is that there is no exact measurements required. In goes half a bottle of roast parsley. Next up, add in a generous amount of ground black pepper into it. Lastly, a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese as well. I've used half a packet of what I have. Finally, mix everything together until homogeneous. Now we're ready to assemble. Cut the French loaves into 3 equal sizes like this. Place it on an aluminum foil and make equal cuts across it. Next up comes the messy but very fun part. Take a generous amount of garlic butter spread and place them in between the slices that you've made. This is us trying to figure it out and also at the same time not dirty my hands. You would want a generous amount of spread in between those slices so that the bread will be able to soak up all the garlic butter spread and it will be just so tasty. Frankly, the only rule that applies here to me is the more the merrier. Even at the both ends of them, spread a generous amount of spread as well. Now just nicely wrap up the aluminum foil and it's ready to be toasted. Remember to preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius and then pop it in for 20 minutes and it's ready to serve. This is the final product and it is just so yummy. I can assure you, one piece is not gonna be enough. Please hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.